Hi, my name is Lucas, and if you're dealing with large data and complex systems, please join me. In this video, I'll show you some useful hidden functions and features in OMrun. There are several hidden features and functions to make the life of the user easier. For example, in most grids, you can use Ctrl-C to copy a row, Ctrl-V to paste a row, or Ctrl-D to duplicate the row. You can select some rows in OMrun, copy them with Ctrl-C, paste them seamlessly into Excel for documentation or other purposes. And of course, you can also copy the rows from Excel back into OMrun. Additionally, you can delete rows with the delete key. This works also if you select multiple rows. The next feature is copying the query content. For a quicker workflow, a user can just hover above the query label to copy a query into the clipboard. A relatively new feature is the Generate Batch feature. Let's say you worked on a complex scenario in the GUI and you want to automate it and run it in batch mode. All you have to do is right-click the scenario in the tree and press on Generate Batch. This will automatically generate a batch file that will execute your scenario in batch mode. We hope those features will make your life easier when working with OMrun. Thanks for watching. Check out our other sessions. Happy comparing and see you next time.